Hello everyone, my name is Todd. I want to welcome y'all back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. So today we are going to be cooking a one pot spaghetti. So it's everything in one pot, so you only have one pot to clean. So let's get over and get our ingredients ready. For our one pot spaghetti, we're going to need the following: ground beef, ground Italian sausage, onion, garlic, oregano, red chili flakes, tomato paste, beef broth, crushed tomatoes, sugar, fresh basil, a package of spaghetti, grated Parmesan cheese, and salt. So now that we have our ingredients, let's get cooking. All right, so we've got it's a large pot heating up over a medium-high heat, and to this we are going to add in our Italian sausage and our ground beef, and we are going to cook this probably about 15 minutes until everything is nice and done and the ground beef is no longer pink. All right, so this has been going for about 15 minutes, and as you can see, all the ground meat has been cooked through and through and no longer pink. And you want to break up any large chunks you may have in here. There we go. And so to this we are going to add in our onion and our garlic and a little bit of salt, and we're going to give this a quick stir, and we're going to cover this, and we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. All right, so this has been going about 5 minutes. All right, so we are going to add in our oregano and our red pepper flakes, and we are also going to add in our tomato paste. So we're going to give this a good mix, just all incorporated, and let this cook for about a minute or so, and then we're going to continue adding in our other ingredients. Okay, so now we are going to add in our crushed tomatoes. Want to make sure we get everything out the can. And then we are going to add in our beef broth. And basically what we're going to do is we are going to add in a can of beef broth. Give that a good stir. Pour that in there. Give this a stir and try not to make a mess, but we know how that's going to go. Alright, and so now we are going to add in our sugar. Give that a quick stir. And then adding in our fresh basil. And now what we're going to do is we are going to cover this and let this come up to a boil. And once that's done, we'll be back. So this has been covered for about 5 to 10 minutes, and as you can see, it's come up to a nice simmer. So now we are going to add in our pasta, and what we're going to do is we're going to break the pasta in half. And so what I do to make it relatively easy and not end up with pasta shrapnel all over the kitchen, once I open the bag, I'll just take it and we'll press it against the edge of a counter until it fully splits in half. And then I will slowly start adding in my pasta. And you want to add this in batches. So we're going to sprinkle this in with our pasta. And then we're going to slowly push this under the sauce. And we're going to let this go for about 2 to 3 minutes before we add in our next bundle of spaghetti. All right, this has been going a couple of minutes. We're going to give this a little stir here. And we're going to add in our next batch of pasta. And see, even though I said to watch out for pasta shrapnel, I still end up getting it all over the place. All right, so we're going to press this back down. And try not to break the pasta. And we're going to let this cook for a couple of minutes, and then we are going to cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes and then check the pasta. Alright, so this has been going a couple of minutes, and we're going to give this a quick stir. And as you can see, the pasta is starting to get cooked. They're not as brittle as they were before. So now we are going to cover this, and we're going to check this every 10 to 15 minutes until the pasta is fully cooked. So once we get to that point, we'll be right back. All right, so this has been going for about another 15 minutes. We're going to give it a check. Looks like the pasta is cooked. So we're going to give this a quick test. Oh yeah. All right, so now we are going to add in our Parmesan cheese. Give this a final stir. All right, so now we are going to get over to the island and get this plated up. Alright, so everything is set up and ready to go. So let's lift up our lid. Alright, perfect. Give this a good stir. Plate up. And we're going to sprinkle just a little more Parmesan cheese on top, because you can never have too much. And we're going to serve this up with a few slices of garlic bread. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Remember, new videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, be nice and be kind, because you never know, you may make somebody's day. So I'm going to sit down and have some spaghetti, and y'all have a good day.